What's up? How you doing? All right, let's get down to it. We got 99's black cherry, 99 proof, 49.5%. All right, in the one shots. That's a cherry fragrance. You gotta aerate it. You gotta aerate it. I don't know. I'm trying to be fancy with this shit. And there you go. Very pretty. Smells like black cherries. And yes, there is a fragrance of between the two. Black cherry and regular cherry. Regular cherry is a little bit more sweeter, and black cherry is more moot. So it's like cherry, but not like commercial cherry, if that makes sense. So at least they got that right. Not bad. Definitely for a mixer. Good as a shot. Not for sipping. It's got some nice texture to it. The cherry is just a little medicinal. So it's got some of these real sharp notes. It feels pulpish, and there's nothing in it, as you can see, but it's texture. 99 has really interesting texture that goes with their liqueurs. Now, this would be great with any type of tropical drink you're trying to do, and you really want to add cherry, this will do it. And almost 50% alcohol by volume, you're going to achieve tropical bliss. Other than that, it is what it is. I find this one really nice, really sweet. Again, not sweet like sweet, but like, you know what I mean? Like an actual real fruit essence. And I like stuff like that. I'm not too keen on things that are real commercial or artificial or like candied. I like things of actual essences or as close as you can get to it. And if you can get close to it, I will accept it. And this one is no exception. And I'm enjoying myself with this particular one. So if you happen to see it, definitely try it. Oh my. Oh my. Bye.